गिव ए पेन पोर्ट्रेट ऑफ बेकर इन ए गोवा। तो आंसर है ए बेकर हैड an important place in the village life of Goa. Marriage gifts were meaningless without ball or sweet bread. Cakes and bowling has are must in Christmas and the other festival. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पकड़ा जाएगा, ठीक है, तो इसको ध्यान से सुनिए। ऑब्जेक्टिव भी और शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन यहीं पे, आपको दूसरा याद करने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा। और एक बार पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है। ए बेकर हैड एन इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेस इन द विलेज लाइफ ऑफ गोवा। मैरिज गिफ्ट्स वेर मीनिंगलेस विदाउट बॉल और स्वीट ब्रेड। Cakes and bowling has are must in Christmas and the other festival. In the old days, the bakers used to wear a peculiar dress, kabai, single piece long frock reaching down the knees. They used to prosperous. Their family and servants never starved. Their plum physique was a testimony of their prosperity and good income. The baker used to be good friend, companion, and guide for the author. He would come twice a day, and then the children of the house would crowd his basket to choose the bread bangles. Even today, baking and baker are famous in Goa. The still use traditional furnace to bake bread cakes. These bakers are known as peddler in Goa. ठीक, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आते हैं। Bread and cakes were essential of Goa life in elder days. Describe memories that author recollects about good old Portuguese days and their loves of bread. The answer is in the olden days, baking was considered an essential and the profitable profession in a traditional Goa village. Baking was the traditional family work in Portuguese culture and was famous for preparing the loaves of bread. Marriage gifts were the meaningless without the sweet bread known as bol. The lady of the house must prepare sandwich on the occasion of the daughter's engagement. Cakes and bowling has are must of Christmas as well as other festival. Therefore, bread and cakes were an essential part of Goa life in olden days. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे देखिए ऊपर में जो था वही क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज बॉल बता दिए थे। बॉल इज ए स्वीट ब्रेड प्रिपेयर फॉर मैरिज सेरेमनी। सेकंड में है व्हाट डज द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस मस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर द डॉटर एंगेजमेंट। द आंसर है द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस मस्ट प्रिपेयर सैंडविच फॉर द डॉटर एंगेजमेंट। थर्ड में है फॉर विच फेस्टिवल केक एंड बॉलिंग हैज आर बैक क्रिसमस फेस्टिवल। हु बैक सैंडविच? द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस। ठीक, चलिए खत्म करते हैं, धन्यवाद। फिर मैं पार्ट 2 जस्ट कुछ देर बाद ही लेके आऊँगा इसका पार्ट आगे वाला। धन्यवाद।